In today's lesson, we're going to round a number and it involves decimals. So if we have a problem like this that says, what is 32.78 rounded to the nearest whole number? So first thing to do is use a place value chart. So here's the tens, here's the ones, here's your decimal, here's the tenths, and here's the hundredths. So let's put the number in. So 32.78. So we will round to the ones place value. This is what round to the nearest whole number means. So we need to round to the nearest whole number. That's what that means. So you round to the ones place value. So to do rounding, if we're going to round to this place value, we need to look at the place value beside it on the right. So look to the number to the right. Okay, so we have to look here at the tenths. So when you do rounding with decimals, it's the same as rounding any other number. Just forget that the decimal's there while you're doing this. So now we're going to look at this number. If the number to the right of the ones place value is 5 or greater, then the 2 would become a 3, and we round it up. Okay, so this 2 would become a 3. But if the number to the right of the ones place value is less than 5, then the 2 does not change. Those are the rules. You just have to remember them, okay? And you could download the ebook and you can have the rules forever. So now we have to put our rounded number into this place value chart. So here it is. So here, because this number is 5 or greater, that means we round this 2 up. So it becomes a 3. So we have 33 now. And then to finish the rounding, the numbers after the whole number are zeroed out. Okay, so everything after the number we're rounded to gets zeroed out. Okay, so you put zeros there. And that's it. That's the end of how you do rounding with a decimal. And don't worry if you don't understand it right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, I have links in the description. Just click there and you'll see links to other videos of mine that are like this. And that'll help you out. As well, take a look at the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. There's an actual link in the book that'll take you to this exact video. Thank you so much for listening, and don't forget to like and subscribe.